We're in LinkedIn. This is Jacoby with Digital Dream. So the face you gave me, you already f***ing me up, okay? This is Jacoby with Digital Dreams. We're here at LinkedIn. We have already de-installed the old panels. We have put up the Z-rails already, and we have the center mounting channel. That is what we're working on now. All we're doing is putting up cabinets, no panels for us today.
I just took all of that off of that wall, all by myself.
How's it going?
It's going amazing. We are ahead of schedule. It is going great. All of the cabinets are up, as you can see. We are way ahead schedule. Nurad is tightening down all the cabinets. I'm filming, but it's okay. Yeah, this is part of it. Keep rolling for sure. Now, Art and B are putting in data and power whips. Other than that, we're gonna be wrapped up today. But this is gonna be much more beautiful and easier to service. And it's gonna look very bright. It's gonna be nice.
The two ends are going to have a home run, and then the cabinets in the middle are just going to kind of do a horseshoe. It's going to come up, kind of like a snake almost. So it's going to come in and then going to go up like this through the middle section, and that's how we can get data and power.
You should get one of these for the shop. All right, so like, just get the model, you know what I'm saying? All right, we're going up, smooth. You need to get one of these. Replace that jerk one with this guy right here. You're testing the power on this side of the wall. You gotta go each row, plug it up to make sure, since we don't got no panels, make sure it all lights up.
Job went great. We always do it the DD way, and that's early.